In an era where technology increasingly shapes our daily lives, the intersection of innovation and sustainability has become paramount. The Tesla Phone Pi emerges as a groundbreaking product that encapsulates this philosophy, promising to redefine how we connect with our devices and interact with the world. Known for its commitment to sustainability and cutting-edge engineering, Tesla has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible. With the Phone Pi, the company aims to set a new standard for smartphones, one that prioritizes environmental consciousness while delivering unmatched functionality and performance. As we delve into the features, integrations, and implications of the Tesla Phone Pi, we will uncover how this device not only enhances communication, but also embodies a lifestyle dedicated to a greener, more connected future. The Tesla Phone Pi represents a significant leap forward in mobile technology, combining cutting-edge design with Tesla's commitment to sustainability. At first glance, the Phone Pi captivates users with its sleek, minimalist aesthetic, crafted from durable, eco-friendly materials sourced from recycled components. The device features a stunning 6.9-inch AMOLED display that delivers vibrant colors and deep contrasts, ensuring an immersive viewing experience for everything from videos to video calls. This high-resolution display not only enhances visual appeal but also reduces power consumption, showcasing Tesla's commitment to energy efficiency. Under the hood, the Phone Pi is powered by Tesla's proprietary AI processor, engineered to learn from user behavior and optimize performance. This processor enables adaptive resource management, allowing the device to allocate power efficiently depending on usage patterns, thereby extending battery life. Users can enjoy prolonged usage without the anxiety of frequent recharging, a feature particularly beneficial for those who lead busy lives. Coupled with a robust battery that incorporates advanced lithium-silicon technology, the Phone Pi ensures that users can stay connected longer than ever before. One of the standout features of the Phone Pi is its seamless integration with the broader Tesla ecosystem. Users can control their Tesla vehicles directly from their phone, enabling functions such as remote climate control, battery monitoring, and vehicle summoning with just a few taps. Imagine arriving at your car on a hot summer day only to find that it's already cooled down to a comfortable temperature because you pre-cooled it using your Phone Pi. The Tesla app enhances this experience by providing real-time updates on vehicle status, scheduling service appointments, and even facilitating software updates, effectively turning the phone into a multifunctional hub for Tesla ownership. The Phone Pi also incorporates advanced smart home integration, allowing users to manage various devices within their homes. Whether it's adjusting the thermostat, controlling lights, or monitoring security cameras, the Phone Pi serves as a central control unit for an interconnected lifestyle. With compatibility across various smart home platforms, users can customize their environment with ease and efficiency, bringing a new level of convenience to daily life. In addition to solar charging, the Phone Pi incorporates energy-saving features that further minimize its environmental footprint. The device's software is optimized for low energy consumption, allowing for efficient use of resources without sacrificing performance. This approach not only benefits the environment but also translates to cost savings for users, making the Phone Pi an economically sound choice as well. Security is a critical consideration in any mobile device, and the Tesla Phone Pi does not disappoint. The phone features advanced biometric authentication methods, including facial recognition and an under-display fingerprint sensor. These security measures provide users with peace of mind knowing that their personal information is well protected against unauthorized access. Furthermore, the Phone Pi is equipped with built-in encryption for all communications, allowing users to share messages and information with confidence, free from the worries of data breaches or privacy violations. The Tesla Phone Pi also places a strong emphasis on user experience. The interface is designed for simplicity and intuitiveness, making it easy for users to navigate through apps and settings. Customizable features allow users to personalize their experience, tailoring the phone to meet individual preferences and needs. Whether you're a tech-savvy user or someone who prefers a straightforward interface, the Phone Pi accommodates a wide range of users. As society increasingly prioritizes sustainable living, the Tesla Phone Pi emerges not just as a smartphone, but as a symbol of a lifestyle that values innovation, environmental consciousness, and connectivity. It invites users to embrace a future where technology enhances daily life while contributing positively to the planet. The Phone Pi's design and functionality reflect a growing awareness of the need for sustainable solutions in all aspects of life, from transportation to communication. Moreover, the impact of the Phone Pi extends beyond individual users. As more people adopt devices like the Tesla Phone Pi, there is potential for significant shifts in consumer behavior and industry standards. The Phone Pi could inspire other tech companies to prioritize sustainability and innovation in their own product lines, ultimately fostering a more environmentally friendly tech ecosystem. This ripple effect could lead to a broader cultural shift, encouraging consumers to demand greater accountability from brands regarding their environmental practices. In addition to its technological advancements, the Tesla Phone Pi also positions itself as a powerful tool for social interaction and community building. By incorporating features that facilitate connection, whether through social media integration, community forums, or shared experiences, the Phone Pi can help bridge gaps between people, fostering a sense of belonging in an increasingly digital world. This capability aligns with Tesla's vision of creating not just products but also meaningful experiences that enhance the quality of life for its users. As we consider the broader implications of the Tesla Phone Pi, it's clear that this device is more than just a technological marvel, it's a catalyst for change. By promoting sustainable practices, enhancing connectivity, and fostering community engagement, the Phone Pi embodies a forward-thinking approach to mobile technology. It encourages users to not only embrace innovation but also to consider their impact on the environment and society. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Tesla Phone Pi is not merely a smartphone. It represents a bold vision for the future of connectivity and sustainability. By merging advanced technology with environmentally friendly practices, Tesla has crafted a device that empowers users to lead a more connected and conscious lifestyle. As we look ahead, the Phone Pi stands as a testament to the possibilities that arise when innovation meets responsibility, encouraging a generation to rethink their relationship with technology. With its focus on integration, sustainability, and user experience, the Tesla Phone Pi positions itself as a crucial player in the evolving landscape of mobile devices. Ultimately, it invites users to embrace a future where technology serves as a bridge to a more sustainable world, one where every call, every message, and every connection contributes to a brighter, greener tomorrow. With the Tesla Phone Pi in hand, users are not just navigating their world, they're actively shaping a sustainable future, one call and one connection at a time.